Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us on like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says express 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 into prime numbers or factors. So here we have solution. So we are given 2 to the power of 18 minus 1. We have to express this into a prime number or factor. So here the question that we need to ask ourselves is, what is a prime number or what is a prime factor? A prime number is a number that can only be divisible by 1 and itself. Example: 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, and so on and so forth. Those factors must be multiple of this number. So this number, what are we going to do? How do we express this? So we need to express this so that we can evaluate these prime factors from its solution. So here, this can be written as 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 to the power of 18, because 1 to the power of 18 is the same thing as 1. So here, this can be written as 2 to the power of 9 all to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 9 all to the power of 2. And you can see that we have to the power of 2 and to the power of 2. So we say let 2 equals to A and also 1 equals to B. So we are going to substitute. Where we have 2, we put A, and where we have 1, we put B. Not the power on, but the one that is the base. That is what we are going to substitute. So this will become A to the power of 9 all to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 9 all to the power of 2. So this is what we have. You can see that this is a difference of 2 squared. That when we had A to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 2, the same thing as A plus B into A minus B. So we are going to represent this in this format. So this will become A to the power of 9 plus B to the power of 9 into A to the power of 9 minus B to the power of 9. So this is what we have. We are representing this in this format. So this can be, we can still break this one down. So here will become A to the power of 3 all to the power of 3 plus B to the power of 3 all to the power of 3. Then we have here, then we have into A to the power of 3 all to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3 all to the power of 3. So this is what we have. So in this case, here we can see that we have to the power of 3 is in this form where we have x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3. So this is what it becomes. So when we have this, and also here we have x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3. So this will give us x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. Then this for this first one. Then for this second one, which is this one, will give us x minus y into x squared minus, there we have plus xy plus y squared. So this is what we have. We are going to express this. As we express this, gives us this one, and this second one gives us this one. So we are going to express this in this format. So for this first one, we have here as expressing this in this format. This will give us A to the power of 3. We have plus B to the power of 3. Then into A to the power of 3 all squared minus A to the power of 3 times B to the power of 3 plus B to the power of 3 all squared. That is for this first one. Then for the second one, which is this, we have A to the power of 3 minus B to the power of 3 into A to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. Then we have plus A to the power of 3, B to the power of 3 plus B to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. Because this is a continuation, this times this. That means this times this. So we recall that we said our A equals to 2 and our B equals to 1. So we are going to substitute the value of A as 2 and value of B as 1 into this illustration. So this will become, for A we have 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 to the power of 3. Then into, we have here 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. Then we have minus 2 to the power of 3 times 1 to the power of 3. Then we have 1 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. That is for the first line. Then the second line, we have 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3. Then into, we have here 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 3 times 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. So that means this multiplied by this. So by evaluating this, 2 to the power of 3, we have it 8. We have 1 to the power of 3, 1. So that is the first one. Then here we have 2 to the power of 3 times 2, which is 6. Then we have minus 2 to the power of 3 times 1 to the power of 3, which is 8. So we have here plus, we have 1 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 1. That is for the first line. Then the second line, we have 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, minus 1 to the power of 3, which is 1. Then we have here 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 is 2 to the power of 6. Then we have plus, we have 2 to the power of 3 times 1 will give us 8. Then we have plus 1 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 is 1. So in this case, here we have 8 plus 1. We have it as 9. So here, 2 to the power of 6 is times 64. Then we have 8 minus 8 plus 1 will give us minus 7. Then we have, this is, we have 8 minus 1, we have it as 7. Then we have 2 to the power of 6, we have 64. Then plus, then we have here 8 plus 1, we have plus 9. So this is what we have. So the next step, we have 9 here, times, we have here 64 minus 7 is 57. So here we have times 7. So the next one we have 64 plus 9, we have times 73. So if you can look at it, we have 9, 57, 7, and 73. These are all prime numbers and all prime numbers that make up the factors of this equation, 2 to the power of 18 minus 1. So we have it as 9 times 57 times 7 times 73. Those are the prime factors that make up that value. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.